Wagatano utuko wa thaa 5 nirio kurerikana mwaki urambiriirie nyumba-ini imwe ya gukoma ya imwana thukuru-ini ino ya muthingi ya Adu Blossom iria iri Nyakach kaunti-ini ya Githumo na gutiga mũrutwo ũmwe akuĩte.
Around 23:30 hours, one of the dormitories which is occupied by the pupils, especially the boys, caught fire.
So some of them were affected, some got admitted last night at our sub-county hospital in Paponditi, were treated and discharged. About 6 others were rushed to Kisumu because they were in a bit of serious condition.
Kuringana na murugamiriri wa thukuru ino, arutwo 10 nio marakomete nyumba-ini ino, 6 ao maratigwo na nguraro njũru hamwe na mwarimũ ũmwe uria urahitĩrĩirio nĩ nĩnĩmbĩ cia mwaki akĩgeria kũhonokia arutwo aya.
Out of the 10, 3 were treated and discharged in fair condition.
Yeah, it's quite unfortunate, and after this incident we've learned that we've lost one of the pupils in Kisumu. So I came to just say that to the school, to say pole to the school and to say pole to the parents.
Kihumo kia mwaki ugitiuikaine na maugite uratheremire na ihenya na gucungiriria hathara nene na mageria mao ma kuhoria matirari na umithio.
It really took time to break the door that was locked from inside.
I also want to thank our security agencies who really went out of their way to ensure the pupils were rushed to hospital. There were OCPD, Mr. Chacha is here, our DCI is here. They've been here since last night, and you can still see they are still here to also look at maybe the cause.
Investigation is on a advanced stage. We will involve experts, fire experts into this to assist us establish what really caused this fire. Is it electric fault or what is it?
Uthuthuria wa kiria kiracungiriirie mutino uyu ni wambiriirie guku mihango ya mathomo ikirugamio kwa ihinda. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, Getu Wangari Maria wa Mũigana.